All right, so I want to solve this quadratic formula using completing square method. So solve using completing square method. So what I'm going to do is these two, just rewrite it. And then we're going to manipulate and play with this one. And then I'll tell you what to do. There's 3 steps to do that. But before that, see, there was an earlier problem. If you go through the YouTube videos, you'll see that I dealt with this one differently. I added later to the right side. For this problem, I'm going to add it right now. So you can do this. You can add just first and get rid of this. Basically move it to the right side. See, I'm going to add 3 and I'm going to add 3. So this equation, quadratic equation, is going to turn into this one, x squared plus 12x. This is gone, equal to 3. So this is the equation that I'm dealing with. Okay. So I told you to write out x squared plus 12x. We did it. Then 3 things you're going to do. 1, divide by 2. You're going to look at this number and you divide by 2. 2, square it. So this is completing square method, right? So that square it. That says it here, completing square method. So third one is going to be what? After you square it, I'll show you this now. You'll see what it is. So the first, divide by 2. That's the most important thing. And then square it. See, dividing by 2, this is going to be 6. So, and then square it is going to be what? 36. Okay? So then add to both sides. Add 36 to both sides. So 12 divided by 2, in this case, is going to be 6. Squared is going to be 36. So add 36 both sides of equation, like that. Oh, we don't need to do that over there, so I'll do it here. See? So I'll change the color. So see, I'm adding, I figured it's 36. I'm adding 36 here, and I'm adding 36 on the right side. But there is already 3 there, so it's going to be 3 plus 36. Cool? So see, previous equation I had x squared plus 12x plus 3. I still have it, x squared plus 12x plus 3. I just added these two, 36 both sides. So you need to figure out what that number is. That makes this perfect square method. So it's 30. Then what number you need to put it here to factor it and have something to the second power, the binomial to the second power. So it's 36. Now we're done. Why? Because this can be factored. What two numbers you multiply, you get 36. And you add them, you get 12. It's 6 and 6. And this is positive, so it's going to be, that's positive, so it's going to be positive 6 and positive 6. So x plus 6. I don't need to write this, but I'm going in smaller steps. It's like that. X plus 6 times x plus 6 equal to 39. So you can skip that, just write in x plus 6 to the second power equal to 39. So you can skip this. So we're done. Now, what you're going to do, get rid of 2 because you want to solve for x. When you're asking an equation solve means you solve for the variable. It's x, so get square of both sides. And when you get square of both sides, you're going to have 2 answers, positive and negative. This 2 and radical cancel, so you get x plus 6 equal to plus rad 39, and x plus 6 equal to negative rad 39, okay? And then you want to solve for x, get rid of positive 6, subtracting 6 from both sides. So one of the answers equal to x equal to rad 39 minus 6. For the second one, subtract 6. That's x equal to negative rad 39 minus 6. So we got it. That's it. That's how you solve quadratic equation using completing square method.